Bengaluru loves its biryani, from Audhi to Hyderabadi. You would have tried it all, but have you tried this biryani that you get in Bengaluru? It's a recipe which originated 60 years ago by Kannamma Nagasamy of a small town called Dindigul, which is still loved by many.
Today, we at Curly Tails have found one of the oldest biryani joint in Bangalore, which started off with a very small joint and now it has more than 60 plus branches all around the world.
Dindigul Thalappakatti in Indiranagar is a haven for biryani lovers in Bengaluru. Serving 10 types of veg and non-veg biryani, the taste is authentic and traditional.
Well, the name Thalappakatti Biryani roots to the owner who started making it in 1957 wearing a turban or a thalappa.
Here's what makes this biryani so unique. A type of short grain Siraga Samba rice called Parakkam Sittu and Kannivadi meat, which comes from tender grass-fed goat, makes the taste so distinct. A special blend of spices is also used to make the biryani.
This rice, unlike basmati rice, has no taste of its own, and which is why it absorbs all the taste of the spices.
Mutton biryani, this is country chicken.
Okay.
This country chicken and this is gola urunda. It's a keema vada.
Right.
Mutton biryani, they're the best in the world, and prawns fry and tandoori chicken.
It's a very authentic dish,
Yeah.
and it gives a flavor from every city. So if you want authentic food, I think biryani is very important.
Which one is your favorite biryani?
I guess I like the mushroom and the mutton biryani.